continuing our review, number 4. So if you look at number 4, this is a radical. So the other kind of restriction we have, you can't divide by 0. You can't take the square root of a negative number. This has a square root. So x minus 1 cannot be negative. That's the mathematical way of writing cannot be negative. It must be positive. So that means that x has to be greater than or equal to 1. That is my restriction. Okay. Square root. You want to isolate the square root. We're in month. That's already happened. So square root of x minus 1 equal 5. The way to solve this will be to square both sides of this equation. On the left side, when you take the square root and square, you end up with what you started with. So that's x minus 1 equal 5 squared. So x minus 1 equals 25. Therefore, x equals 26. Okay? And we're good. That's number 4.